Okay, guys, here we are today. We're gonna be flying the drone at Salt Lake, I think. Yeah. Ethan, what did you? Well, he's helped me edit this video, so yeah. Okay, back to what I was saying. So yeah. You might notice that that's the lake over there. So I went swimming in it. Oh, yeah. Like, I went out till we I think enough so you don't touch the bottom and you like can't sink. I tried, but that's how salty it is. Believe me. And plus, the lake only gets up to 32 feet at the max, an average of 14 feet, which is surprising, isn't it? Um, yeah. Hey, look, this got cut out because um there was like I was fighting the bugs. Like I was trying to fly it and I couldn't because I made it still, and then when it stills like that, I try to fight the bugs off. I cut that out, so that's good, I guess. Oh, yep, another time I fought the bugs. Like there's all kinds of like gnats and stuff. There might have been a couple mosquitoes. Wait, were there a couple mosquitoes? No, there weren't any mosquitoes, but they're just gnats and stuff. There was like seemed like millions of them, and they were super annoying and stuff. But when I went swimming, this is the voiceover, so this is after there wasn't, so I'm toning. Um, I still can't believe this lake is so shallow. In fact, it's actually been drying up. So I don't know if it's due to any rivers lining it or not, but oh, I guess we'll. I think I. Oh yeah, back there always. Like I lost the drone, so I had Ethan bring it in. So oh, not this part. Ethan, why did you add that in? He betrayed me. He helped me edit this video, and he didn't tell me about that. But the puppy. Oh. I'm just gonna like, why is it still? Oh, yeah, I was fighting the bugs. So, again, that's where I swam, right in there, that little bay place thing. There's so many sand fleas and stuff. Like, if you walk in them, like, the whole cloud of them just, like, go. Because that's how many there are. This, what I'm flying on, is an island, well, at least used to be an island. Now a peninsula because the water dried up. But, I think I just pressed the home button this time. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the home button, I presses it and then it takes you back to where it landed, Ethan. GC doesn't even know what it is. Oh, there's me bringing it down. No, I didn't bring it down. The home button did. So, before the video ends, this is the end of the video, so make sure to subscribe. Give this video a like. Like, subscribe. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe right now, or else ghosts will haunt you for the rest of your life. And also like this video. So yeah, I guess. Oh, that's me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.